Today when I was driving, I noticed a brake light was out, so I thought I'd make a quick video on how to switch out a brake light. This is a Volvo C70, but a lot of manufacturers use a very similar design, so it should be helpful for other vehicles. So right now we're in the trunk. There's this little access panel here. It's not attached by anything except friction, so you can just pop it out, move it out of the way, and we're going to take a socket onto this nut and remove that. Alright, once that nut's off, this plastic light piece will pull right out and we'll have access to the light bulbs. Okay, so here you can see we have all the lights, brake lights, reverse light, running light. And in this case, it was a brake light. So right over here, just give it a little twist. It's got these little tabs, so there is only one way to put it in. Now I'll get the new bulb and put it in. Simple as that. Replace the panel. And put the nut back on. And we'll put the panel back on. Just bend this so the tab goes in. And that's it.